Poco X3 Pro Review, Impressive Performance at an Affordable Price. Title: Poco X3 Pro Review, Impressive Performance at an Affordable Price. Introduction. The smartphone market has become highly competitive, with consumers constantly on the lookout for devices that offer exceptional features without breaking the bank. Poco, a sub-brand of Xiaomi, has established itself as a key player in this landscape. Their latest offering, the Poco X3 Pro, aims to deliver impressive performance at an affordable price point. In this article, we will delve into the various aspects of the Poco X3 Pro and assess its capabilities. Design and display. The Poco X3 Pro boasts a sleek design that is both contemporary and ergonomic. Its 6.67-inch Full HD++ display with a 2400 by 1080 pixel resolution offers a stunning visual experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, which provides durability and shields against scratches. The device features an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and improved touch sensitivity. A centrally located punch hole design for the front camera maximizes the screen real estate, enabling an immersive viewing experience. Performance and battery. One of the standout features of the Poco X3 Pro is its performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chipset, built on a 7nm process, the smartphone delivers a solid performance across the board. The octa-core Creo 485 CPU and Adreno 640 ensure smooth multitasking, lag-free gaming, and efficient power consumption. With up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, the device easily handles resource-intensive tasks. To support its powerful performance, the Poco X3 Pro is equipped with a massive 5160 mAh battery. This battery ensures all-day usage without the need for frequent charging. Additionally, the device supports 33 watts fast charging, allowing users to quickly replenish the battery when needed. Camera capabilities. The Poco X3 Pro features a quad camera setup, spearheaded by a 48MP primary camera. The camera's large aperture captures detailed and vibrant photos, even in low light conditions. The device also houses an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor, enabling users to explore diverse photography styles. The smartphone's camera software includes several features like Night Mode, Pro Mode, and iBeautify, enhancing users' photography experience. Additionally, the front-facing 20MP camera captures stunning selfies with excellent clarity and detail. Software and user experience. Running on MIUI 12 based on Android 11, the Poco X3 Pro offers a feature-rich and user-friendly interface. MIUI is known for its customization options, allowing users to tailor the device to their preferences. Various system optimizations and regular software updates ensure a smooth and secure user experience. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the Game Turbo 3.0 mode, which optimizes the device's performance while gaming, reducing distractions and improving gameplay. The presence of dual stereo speakers and the high-res audio certification adds to the immersive experience. Storage and connectivity. The Poco X3 Pro offers ample storage options, with variants available in 6GB or 8GB of RAM with 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, respectively. The smartphone also supports expandable storage of up to 1TB via a dedicated microSD card slot, ensuring sufficient space for apps, photos, and media files. In terms of connectivity, the Poco X3 Pro supports 4G LTE and is equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and GPS. The inclusion of an ear blaster further enhances the device's usability by allowing users to control appliances such as TVs and air conditioners.